Is Ozempic the end of the fitness industry? Let's find out. So today's video is about Ozempic. Imagine a drug which is so powerful which made a small Danish company richer than the entire GDP of Denmark. A drug that is not treating just a disease but reshaping the entire trillion-dollar food industries, fitness industries and even the stock market. This is the story of Ozempic. While the world see it as a miracle weight loss shot, the business world see it as a most successful legal monopoly in the modern history. Today, we decode the business of semaglutide, its entry to India, and whether it's a holy grail or a dangerous shortcut to the fitness industry. So, to understand Ozempic, you have to first understand Novo Nordisk. For the 100 years, they were just an insulin company, but in 2012, they developed semaglutide. Originally, it was meant to help type 2 diabetic patients by mimicking the GLP-1 hormone. This GLP-1 hormone tells your brain that you are full and you are no longer hungry. But they noticed a side effect. People started losing their weight while on this dosage. Thereafter, Novo Nordisk made a business move and instead of keeping this just for type 2 diabetic, they rebranded this drug and launched Ozempic for the diabetic patient and Wegovy for weight loss, which was specially designed for obese people. If we discuss the valuation and revenue of this company in 2024, Novo Nordisk valuation was $500 billion, which made it a most valuable company in the whole Europe, even much more than the Louis Vuitton. Their revenue from this drug is growing at the rate of 40% per year. So if we talk about India, India is a diabetic capital of the world. Novo Nordisk is going all in into this market. Novo Nordisk officially launched this Ozempic in India on December 12, 2025. They have introduced a market-specific pricing where the starting price of the dose is 2200 per week and in terms of a month it will cost around 8800 INR, which is much lower than the price tag of 1000 US dollar in America. While Novo Nordisk owns the patents, Indian giants like Sun Pharma, Cipla, Dr. Reddy's are already in the court. They are waiting for the patent to expire in 2026 so that they can flood the market with a generic version of semaglutide at the cost of 1/10 of the existing pricing. This was all about the drug, but why everyone is talking about it? Why fitness industry has to worry? Why the food industry has to worry? So let's talk about its impact on the body and how it is reshaping. Now let's address the elephant of the gym. Is Ozempic a steroid? Should you take it for the weight loss? So let's talk about what steroid is and what Ozempic is. If we say steroids, and in the market these steroids are available in the name of Winstrol, or you can say stanozolol, Stena or Stenabolic. They all are anabolic steroids and they help build muscles and burn fat by increasing the protein synthesis. It is highly toxic to the liver and it also destroys the natural process of creating a testosterone in our body. Where Ozempic is not a steroid, it doesn't build muscle. In fact, it does the opposite. If you are gym goer and planning to take Ozempic, so you must have listened this very carefully. Studies has shown that the 40% of the weight losses are a lean muscle mass loss, not just fat. Where steroids boost the output while Ozempic works by starving your input, which means it simply mimics your GLP-1 hormones, which gives a signal to your brain that you are already full. Then you start eating less food, you stop eating junk foods, you will stop having cravings of sugars, etc. etc. So the verdict for gym goers is very simple. So if you are bodybuilders, gym athletes, then Ozempic is your worst enemy. It can lead to a sarcopenic obesity, which means you might look thin, but your muscles to fat ratio will be worse after taking the Ozempic. You will lose all of your gains along with your gut health. Even though Walmart CEO has admitted the people who are on Ozempic are buying less high calorie foods. It means they are not buying those high calorie foods like burgers, chips, sodas, etc. It will impact the food industry, as if people doesn't feel hungry, they will not buy food and the snack industry will collapse. For the fitness industry also, if people think that a shot can replace their squats, then the gym membership will drop. The health supplements industry will face challenges. And if we talk about healthcare industry, it could save billions of dollars in heart disease, but it creates a lifelong subscription model where you will regain 2/3 of the weight you have lost when you stop this drug. So the conclusion is very simple. Ozempic is a medical miracle for morbidly obese and diabetic patients, but for an average person like you and me looking for a summer body, it's a high stake gamble with your health. health. As and when the Make in India generic version will arrive in 2026, the temptation will be everywhere. Everyone will be wanting to lose weight fast without even doing exercise. But you have to remember, a drug can change your weight, but only a healthy lifestyle can change your health. So what do you think? So let us know by commenting below. So if you want more business reviews, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share with your loved one who is planning to buy Ozempic